Yahoo Gemini Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Yahoo Gemini are in the description. Yahoo Gemini is a native advertising and search marketing platform designed to help businesses reach audiences across Yahoo's extensive network, including Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Finance, and other Verizon Media properties. It combines native ads and search ads in one platform, making it a versatile choice for advertisers looking to maximize visibility. Yahoo Gemini is ideal for businesses seeking brand awareness, lead generation, or performance-driven conversions. One of its main advantages is native advertising, which seamlessly integrates sponsored content into Yahoo's news feeds and partner sites. This allows advertisers to create non-intrusive, engaging ads that match the look and feel of the surrounding content, improving click-through rates and engagement. The platform also supports traditional search advertising, letting businesses bid on keywords to appear in Yahoo search results. Though Yahoo's search market share is smaller than Google's, it still provides a cost-effective alternative with less competition and lower CPCs. Yahoo Gemini offers advanced audience targeting, including demographic filters, interest-based targeting, and retargeting options. Advertisers can segment users based on their behavior across Yahoo properties, making it easier to reach relevant audiences. The platform also features automated bidding strategies and AI-driven optimization, which helps improve campaign efficiency over time. Campaign management is straightforward, with an intuitive dashboard that provides real-time performance metrics, including impressions, clicks, and conversion tracking. Yahoo Gemini integrates with third-party analytics tools like Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics for deeper insights. While the platform lacks some of the advanced AI features seen in Google and Facebook ads, it remains a strong option for advertisers looking to diversify beyond mainstream platforms. Yahoo Gemini is best suited for brands looking to leverage native advertising for increased engagement or businesses wanting a lower-cost search ad alternative. With a mix of native and search placements, solid targeting options, and competitive pricing, it's a valuable addition to any digital marketing strategy. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to start your campaign with Yahoo Gemini today.